All right, guys, so today we're gonna be replacing the transmission fluid on John's Porsche. So got the car up in the air, just got it on ramps. And then the first thing we did was remove this cover on the back that's held in these screws right here. And you can point to them, yeah, one right there. What size are they?
These are the 17, and then these two are 15.
Okay.
And these two are also 15, and this is 15 and 15. You gotta remove both of those so that this comes loose, which then allows you to drop that pan that we just removed. We gotta get
and then this right here is the drain plug right in the middle of the transaxle.
To open the drain plug, you need one of these triple square security bits. It looks a bit like this. This was $8 from Lowe's, and it's a 16 millimeter.
So now we're gonna break loose the drain bolt. Make sure you got a pan so you're not just draining onto your driveway. It looks like it's pretty tight up in there.
Yeah.
I don't think anybody's ever touched it.
There we go.
Uh-oh, here it comes.
Oh man.
So you looking for the, what is this? This is not, it doesn't take ATF, right? It takes
It takes the gear oil.
Okay, cool.
When's it gonna come?
Nice.
Oh shit.
Yeah, John's drain pan got some stuff in it, but good thing was we're not reusing the oil. Actually, the oil looks really good.
Yeah, I know it does. Might have been changed before.
That doesn't look bad at all. At least now you don't got to worry about it again, though.
True.
All right. It smells a little bit ripe.
Actually, not bad at all.
So the drain plug clean, right?
Yeah, it looks pretty good.
All right. Always better to have that and have, you know, taking the time to look at it than have the opposite and have shavings all over. All right, now we're just gonna put the plug back on once it's done draining. Is there like a torque on this or just good and tight?
I think it's just good and tight.
All right.
There's probably a specific torque. But
All right. So snug, but not, you know,
yeah.
not Hulk.
That's probably good. Okay, so now you're gonna take a 17 millimeter hex socket, and you're gonna go up right up here, and there's a little drain plug that looks very similar to this one, and you're just gonna undo it, and that'll allow you to, once it comes undone, it looks like this. That'll allow you to fill up the transmission. Elephant injector.
Elephant injector, because this is what it looked like. They used to inject the elephants with substance. They're gonna put it in the fill hole and then pump it in. Now, if you want to try to use a funnel and try to maneuver it in, best of luck to you, but this is probably easiest. And how many quarts does it take, John?
I think it's 2.4 or 2.2. I gotta double check.
All right.
We'll put that. Now that it's full, we're gonna replace the cover back up, and all you gotta do is just do exactly as you did to remove it. Put all the bolts back up and make sure they're nice and secure, and that should be all you need to do to replace the transmission fluid. Yours is perfect.